Hello everyone and welcome to Alexander College Library's video how-to series. Today we're going to talk about how to book an online research appointment. From the library homepage, we'll go up to Student Success and we'll select Writing and Learning Center. From the Writing and Learning Center site, we'll scroll down and click Log In to book an appointment. If you don't have an account, you can register for one. Once you make an account, enter in the email and password you used. You'll select number 9, Online Research Help, then click Login. Please note that Research Help is available for reviewing types of information, so what is an academic or scholarly source, how to go from your topic or your research question to keywords, how to build a search strategy, and how to actually search in the library databases. Scroll down to view the calendar. You'll see staff who are available on each day, and if a session is open, you can click the white square to book an appointment. Please fill out the full sheet so that we know who you are and what you're coming for. So if you're a student, you'll select Student. Please select the course, so perhaps you're in Psychology 102, and who your instructor is. Please fill out what you'd like to work on, so what your assignment is, what types of information you need, perhaps you need for academic articles, and what topic you will be pursuing. This will allow us to prep before you arrive. Then click Create Appointment. You'll get an email with details on how to access the appointment. From the email or from this screen, you can see that if you book an appointment with Janelle, Raul, or Kia, you'll click on this link to access the online virtual library chat room. If you book an appointment with Caitlin or Maxine, you'll click on this link to access that virtual chat room. If you realize you've made an appointment for the library, but you actually need to make an appointment with Writing and Learning Center, perhaps you need writing help or citation help, you can just click on your appointment and hit Cancel. Please ensure that you cancel your appointment if you don't need to come, as missed appointments will be marked as missed and can lead into locking your account. If you need to make an appointment for writing or citation help, you can do that from the schedule Online Humanities, Online Econ or Commerce, Online Math or Science, or Online Computer Science, depending on your own class and topic. If you have any questions for the library that you can't ask in an appointment or need confirmation on something quickly, you can always contact the library with our email, library@alexandercollege.ca, or by calling us at 604-558-6181. Please note our hours are Monday to Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thanks, and have a great day.